SATA SSD versus NVMe SSD, unveiling the Speedy Showdown. Hey there, tech aficionados. Welcome back to ByteBuzzed. Today, we're diving deep into the world of storage and putting the spotlight on two heavy hitters, SATA SSDs and NVMe SSDs. Solid-state drives have transformed storage with their lightning-fast speeds, but within the SSD realm, two contenders battle for supremacy. First up, we have SATA SSDs, the familiar workhorses that have powered our systems for years. These drives connect via the SATA interface, just like your old hard drives. Price-wise, they're often budget-friendly, making them an accessible upgrade for many users. But let's talk speed. SATA SSDs are snappier than traditional hard drives, but their maximum speed is limited by the SATA interface. This means they might hit a speed ceiling, especially when dealing with large file transfers or resource-intensive tasks. Enter the star of the show, NVMe SSDs. These bad boys use the PCIe, Peripheral Component Interconnect Express, interface, designed to unlock the full potential of flash storage. Now, when we say speed, we're talking next-level performance. NVMe SSDs can leave SATA drives in the dust, with read and write speeds that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie. Their lightning-fast data transfer rates make them ideal for creative professionals, gamers, and anyone who demands top-tier speed. When it comes to real-world performance, NVMe SSDs excel in scenarios where speed truly matters. Operating systems boot faster, applications launch in a flash, and those intimidating game loading screens become a thing of the past. But here's the catch. NVMe's gotta eat, and that means a slightly higher price tag. The bleeding-edge performance and architecture come at a premium, making SATA SSDs the wallet-friendly alternative. So which one's right for you? If you're looking for a budget-friendly upgrade and a significant performance boost over traditional hard drives, SATA SSDs are a solid choice. But if you crave the ultimate speed and performance, and you're willing to invest a bit more, NVMe SSDs are the way to go. Whichever you choose, both SATA and NVMe SSDs mark a monumental step up from traditional storage options. Thanks for joining us on this Speedy Showdown. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights right here on ByteBuzzed. Until next time, stay curious and stay ByteBuzzed.